Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get wrenching.
Engine YAMZ 7511 is the next generation of the legendary engine YAMZ 238, which were produced by the Yaroslavl engine plant for MAZ vehicles. The main difference is the presence of turbocharging and increasing the environmental standard to -2 euro. Technical characteristics. The YAMZ 7511 engine is somewhat different from its predecessors. Designers have improved a number of units and assemblies, which allowed not only to increase the power of the internal combustion engine, but also the service life. Thus, the design changes were made. A liquid oil heat exchanger is installed. Water pump of increased capacity is installed. Improved liner piston group with oil cooling system. Upgraded high-pressure fuel pumps. Now let's consider the main technical characteristics of the YAMZ 7511 engine. Name characteristic type diesel, turbocharged diesel. Engine volume 14.86 liters, 14,860 cubic centimeters. Configuration, parameter V-shaped, number of cylinders, number of valves, economy Euro 2 cylinder. Diameter 130 mm, compression ratio 16, 5 cooling, liquid cooling, 1 valve mechanism, OHV, material of block and head design, cast iron, resource 800. 000, 1 million kilometers of mileage, fuel diesel, fuel order of cylinders 15422633378, applicability flatbed trucks, chassis MAZ 533608-020, MAZ 533608-021, MAZ 533608-043, MAZ 630308-020, MAZ 630308-021, MAZ 630308-040, MAZ 6317008-010, MAZ 6317008-020, MAZ 6317008-030, MAZ 6317008-041, MAZ 6317008-061, Tractors MAZ 543208-0204, MAZ 544008-030-020, MAZ 54408-030-020, MAZ 54408-030-021, MAZ 6422008-020, MAZ 6422008-022, MAZ 6403008-020-010, MAZ 6403008-020-020, timber trucks, sorting trucks, MAZ 6417008-220, MAZ 6303008-226. Service. It is quite easy to service the engine YAMZ 7511, because there are no special differences from the service of the older brother 238. Each scheduled service should be carried out with a frequency of 20,000 to 25,000 kilometers of mileage. If you follow the instructions for service and repair, you need to perform the following series of operations: oil change, adjustment of the valve mechanism, 8 changing filters. Thus, depending on the engine modification, there may or may not be the following filter elements: fine and coarse oil filter, coarse, and fine fuel filter element, air filter, eco filter for exhaust. 16. Cleaning the injectors. Adjustments related to the high-pressure fuel pump. Other operations aimed at maintaining the powertrain. Repair manual malfunctions of the engine from time to time know about themselves. Often, this is due to wear and tear of the main units and assemblies or improper operation. Also, the maintenance of the engine can be considered a very important factor. The most frequent breakdowns can be considered malfunctions of the fuel injector, associated with the poor quality of fuel in the CIS, Cooling system. This breakdown occurs due to mechanical wear of the nodes. The scheme of electrical equipment is imperfect. Wear of the piston group. Valve mechanism. Starter and generator. The most frequent question that motorists ask on the internet is the tightening torque of the cylinder head. There is a scheme for tightening the cylinder head fasteners, which should be followed. Tighten should be tightened with the force provided by the manufacturer, which is the nuts of the cylinder head mounting studs 240-260, 24 to 26 Nm, kgfm. If the cylinder head fasteners are tightened too much, the engine may malfunction, including breakdown and extrusion of the gasket. Conclusion: engine YAMZ 7511 is a high-class and powerful modern motor, which during its service has proved to be worthy of attention. High technical characteristics, power, as well as ease of maintenance and repair, made the YAMZ engine popular and favorite both in Russia and abroad. YAMZ 7511 engine, YAMZ 7511 engine, YAMZ 7511 cylinder head tightening diagram. In conclusion, the YAMZ 7511 engine stands out for its robust performance and reliability in various applications. Its design reflects a blend of advanced engineering and practical functionality, making it a preferred choice for many heavy-duty vehicles and machinery. Whether you're in the transportation sector or involved in industrial operations, understanding the capabilities of the YAMZ 7511 can help you make informed decisions for your projects. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into this remarkable engine.